Welcome to Sunhub Tutorials. Today we'll show you how a customer can interact with a sales quote inside the portal. The process begins with the seller sending a quote to you. You will receive an email notification with an overview of the quotation. Log into the portal using your credentials. On the left side panel, click on Offers and Bids to view all your quotes and bids in one organized place. Click on the eye icon under View Deal. This page shows item details such as description, specifications, supporting documents, and more, all clearly structured within the portal. Go back to Offers and Bids and click the eye icon on the right to view terms. Here you can see contract terms, quantities, payment details, delivery schedule, warranty, add-on services, and more. You can also download the terms with one click. Next, click on the chat icon to start your conversation. If you want SMS updates, you can enter your mobile number. For security, every time you select View Quotation, the portal will request your account information. After submitting your details, click Download to view the full quotation. The PDF includes quantity, add-ons, terms, pricing, and the expiry date set by the seller. For example, you might request the seller to update the payment terms. Once they make the change, you'll see an update in the chat. Click View Terms to review the new details. The built-in chat keeps all messages and negotiations in one clean thread. Negotiation can continue until both sides reach an agreement. The buyer can also send a counterbid by adjusting quantity, unit, and price per watt. You can choose to accept or decline the offer from right inside the chat. After reviewing the latest quotation, the buyer accepts the offer. The confirmation pop-up will display the agreed price per watt. Once accepted, you can click View Offer to see the final version. A sales agreement is generated automatically and can be viewed once you enter your account information. Thank you for watching this tutorial.